I'm Neely, and in this video, we're going to take a look at the Tools section of the WordPress dashboard. Make sure you look at the WordPress dashboard and click the Tools section on the left-hand side. There are a few options here, and we're going to talk about what they do. Available tools is self-explanatory. As you add tools to WordPress, you'll see a list of all the tools here. The import and export sections are all about content. If you want to import content from a different source like LiveJournal, Tumblr, or an RSS feed, you can use this tool to import this content into your website. The export tool is just the opposite. If you need to export your content into a file that you want to use somewhere else, maybe you want to move your content to another website. These import-export tools are a real time saver for migrating content. The Site Health section gives you a snapshot of your site's performance and security. This area will give you suggestions on how to improve your website. The Info tab will give you details on the site, kind of like the Settings section on your iPhone. Now with the export and erase personal data, this has to do with privacy laws. If a user on your website asks for a copy of their personal data or wants you to erase them from your website, you can do that here. And finally, scheduled actions is exactly what you expect. You can schedule automated weekly or daily tasks so you don't have to worry about them.